Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create Google Spreadsheets on your iPhone. So there will be two ways to create your Google Spreadsheet. So the first thing, you can just create it directly from the Google Sheets application, which is this applications called Sheets. Just need to click open it, and after that, when you already open, there's only one button that appears on this home section, which is this plus button. Just need to click it, and now you just need to prepare the title of the documents that you want to start to. For example, work. Okay, and after that, just need to click create, and now you are ready to work on your Google Sheet or Spreadsheets documents. That is the first way. And then the second way, you just need to go back in the home screen, and now you just need to find a Google Drive. In this Google Drive, make sure that the account that you use as a Google Drive is the same account that you use for working, or you save the every data of your work. If it's already like the same account you already logged in, you just need to go click plus button, and after that there will be a lot of option here that what you want to create the new documents to. And here one of them is Google Sheets. Just need to click it, and now the Google Drive will be deliver you or generate you into the Google Spreadsheet with those accounts. You just need to decide the titles too, and just type the titles on this site. For example, work to, and after that just need to go click create, and now you already have a new documents that ready to work with. So that's the way how to create a Google Spreadsheet on your phone. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.